Hey guys, welcome to another video of Budding Medicos. We are here with the latest update of NTA press release, which is updated 17 hours ago. What is the press release about? The press release is not about some major changes in the examination, so don't worry about that. These are the changes because the NTA agency is working on it from the past few days. What is the update? We'll discuss in some few points and then you focus on your preparation only, okay? Now, the NTA testing agency strengthens its leadership and institutional framework. How? Because they have appointed 4 senior level officers from the government of India, okay? And they have updated the hirings for these 3 major posts for the specialist CTO, okay, for the CFO, that is Chief Finance Officer, and for the GM HR rules are being advertised, okay. So why they are being doing this? Because government recognizes the deep concern that recent events have caused among aspirants, उनकी families के साथ, and the educational community at large, because it was becoming a joke at this moment, okay, with the NT agency. So the measures taken are a part of comprehensive and continuing program of reform, structural, technological and human resource to rebuild the integrity architecture of the examination ecosystem on stronger foundations. Now what and who have been appointed, I will tell you. Posting of senior officers from Government of India. Okay. So to strengthen the senior leadership of NTA with experienced administrators from the Government of India. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. From the Government of India, the following 4 officers have been posted to the agency over the past few days, as I told. इसमें 2 joint secretary level officers हैं and 2 director level officers हैं. Okay, the joint secretary level officers will be designated as additional director generals as per the recommendations of the Radhakrishnan committee, and these postings substantially enhance the senior bandwidth available to the NTA. इन लोग ने इंटर मिनिस्ट्री में एक्सपीरियंस है इन लोग को, एंड दे आर कमिंग विद द एनटी एजेंसी टू वर्क विद द इंटरनल ऑफिसर्स जो लोग पहले से हैं. ओके, नाउ एज वी डिस्कस कि स्पेशलिस्ट लीडरशिप की हायरिंग हो रही है, दैट इज चीफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफिसर. सीनियर मोस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी लीडर चाहिए उन लोग को एनटीए में, रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एंड टू एंड डिजिटल एग्जामिनेशन इकोसिस्टम, कैंडिडेट फेसिंग सिस्टम्स, कॉन्फिडेंशियल क्वेश्चन पेपर. ओके, so these are the hirings, and 4 level officers, 4 senior level officers are appointed from the government of India. This is the second hiring for the chief finance officer. इसमें ज़्यादा घुसने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just do your preparation. It was the update and we are here to give you the updates at the correct moment. Okay, so that was the update from our side, from the NTA press release. ठीक है, कुछ changes नहीं है, सब सही है, बस करना है. 30 दिन बचे हैं, एकदम फाड़ के रखना है और आपकी रैंक आएगी, ज़रूर आएगी. दिस मोमेंट पे भी अगर कोई ब्लेम करने बैठा है, ब्लेमिंग का गेम खेल रहा है, सिस्टम फेल हो गया, योर रैंक विल नॉट कम. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन, डू इट कंसिस्टेंटली, डू इट ऑनेस्टली, एंड योर रैंक विल गारंटीड कम. एंड दिस वॉज द रिलीज, प्रेस रिलीज. ठीक है, ये छोटा सा अपडेट था उन लोग का कि वो लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं अपने तरफ से, आप अपना काम करो पढ़ाई करने का. ओके, Do follow us and subscribe us for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.
अगर असिस्टेंट चाहिए नीट यूजी के लिए, क्रैक करना चाहते हो किसी भी स्टेज से, 11th में हो, 12th में हो या हो ड्रॉपर, तो डेफिनेटली कॉलेज फॉर्म है नीचे, उसको फिल करो और हम कॉल बैक करेंगे वेरी वेरी सून.